Hello everyone. Today, we're bringing you an installation demonstration video for Dazuma's modern vintage crystal branch LED chandelier. For your safety and the safety of others, please make sure the power to the installation area has been completely turned off before installing this product. Product checklist includes one large accessory pack, which contains 4 short screws, 4 long screw sleeves, 1 black hanging buckle, 1 dedicated fixing connector for the black hanging buckle, 10 fixing rings A, and 10 fixing rings B, 1 instruction manual, 8 high brightness bulbs, 1 crystal pendant pack, 1 product positioning cross plate, 1 canopy, 4 small lamp head assemblies, 4 large lamp head assemblies, Before installing the product, we recommend preparing a stand or an elevated surface to support the canopy. This helps prevent the lamp head assemblies from being damaged during the installation of the canopy and the lamp head assemblies. This helps prevent the lamp head assemblies from being damaged during the installation of the canopy and the lamp head assemblies. Step 1. Install the 4 small lamp head assemblies onto the canopy. All small lamp head assemblies should be installed into the 4 holes on the inner ring of the canopy. Do not install them into the 4 holes on the outer ring. Thread all the power wires from the lamp head assembly, blue and brown, into the same single hole on the inside of the canopy. Then let the threaded end of the lamp head assembly fit into the canopy hole. Pass 1 fixing ring A through the 2 power wires of the lamp head assembly, blue and brown. Then pass 1 fixing ring B through them as well. Slide fixing rings A and B all the way onto the threaded end of the lamp head assembly, then tighten them by hand. Finally, use your own wrench to secure and tighten them further. This completes the installation of the first lamp head assembly. Step 2. Install the other 3 small lamp head assemblies into the remaining 3 holes on the inner ring of the canopy in sequence. Please refer to the installation demonstration in Step 1 for the installation method. Step 3. Install the 4 large lamp head assemblies into the 4 holes on the outer ring of the canopy in sequence. Please refer to the installation demonstration in Step 1 for the installation method. At this point, all 8 lamp head assemblies have been installed onto the canopy. Step 4. Assemble the black hanging buckle with the dedicated fixing connector for the black hanging buckle. Then install them into the center hole of the canopy while holding them in place. Since they are not yet secured to the canopy, turn the canopy over. Place fixing ring A onto the fixing connector of the black hanging buckle. Then place fixing ring B onto it as well and tighten them together. Step 5. Gather and tie together all the blue power wires from the 8 lamp head assemblies, including the wire strands on each wire. Then connect them using one push-in quick wire connector prepared by yourself. Step 6. Gather and tie together all the brown power wires from the 8 lamp head assemblies, including the wire strands on each wire. Then connect them using one push-in quick wire connector prepared by yourself. Step 7. Install the 8 high brightness bulbs into the sockets of the 8 lamp head assemblies in sequence. Step 8. Place the product positioning plate at the location where you plan to install the product. Mark the position and drill the holes. Step 9. Install the 4 long screw sleeves into the holes in sequence. Step 10. Install and secure the product positioning plate together with the 4 long screws from the accessory pack. Step 11. Connect the push-in quick wire connectors on the canopy, which are already connected to the product power wires, to your supply wires. Connect the connector for the product's blue power wires to your white neutral wire. Connect the connector for the product's brown power wire to your black live wire. Step 12. Organize the power wires into the electrical box. Press the canopy tightly against the ceiling. Install the 4 short screws into the 4 holes on the side of the canopy to connect and secure the canopy to the product positioning plate. Step 13. Install the crystal pendant onto the black buckle. Open the wire clasp on the crystal pendant, then pass it through the hole of the black buckle. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.